It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hi, baby. You my sweet baby. Yeah. Daddy left you out of the crate and you did a good job. You didn't eat anything. Huh? My scarf was on the couch, so there's a chance that he could have ate something. Anyways, today we're doing Christmas. Yay! Happy Vlogmas Day. Who knows? I'm just out of my element here, so I'm just going to be uploading whenever I have content. And my hair was curly this morning, and see, now it's just a mess. So anyways, we're gonna be opening up gifts down there, and hopefully I'll vlog it, a little bit of it, maybe some just montage of it. I don't know yet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I also got my HelloFresh box, which I'm probably gonna make some dinner right now after I get into my jammies, because you know that's what happens when you get out of work. You just want to get in your jammies. So anyways, got my HelloFresh box. I'm gonna cook dinner and we're gonna open gifts and have a nice Christmas. Mason already opened his gifts. You saw it in the last one. So now we're gonna open up gifts, and we're opening the gifts because we're going to New Hampshire. Well, Connor's going this weekend to New Hampshire and I'm going next weekend. So we didn't want to carry all of our gifts up to New Hampshire and then back down to North Carolina, because that's just why. So we're gonna open up our own little, just our gifts that we've gotten each other, and we already did Mason. So yeah, we're gonna do that. What do I even pack? Really though, like what am I supposed to pack? Oh, this is so, I'm just gonna pack this, like, because it's so comfy. I got this for Christmas. It's super comfy and soft. It's a crop. Let's see if I can show you it. So, it is a croppy and it's so comfy. It's so soft. I literally unwrapped it and put it on and it still has the tag on it. That's how comfy it is. It's just so comfy. What else did I get? Oh my god. It's the first one. Finally. Some cute slips and I got some shoes too, but they're downstairs. And I'm too lazy to go down there because I have to pack. Going home the 21st. So the 21st until January 1st. week and 3 days. What does one pack for that? Help! Some jeans, these boots, and a nice crop top to go with it. Throw a cardigan with that. There's one outfit for one day. Pretty sure I just overpacked. And I'm still like flustered that I don't have everything that I need. So I'm sure I'm gonna go through it tomorrow again. Okay, I'm going to close the vlog, edit this, post it,